No place like yard. Coming Home to Jamaica by Jamaica Homes, published on July 7th, 2025. There's a moment every Jamaican abroad feels, whether in London, New York, Toronto, Miami, or Berlin. It comes in the small hours of the morning, or in the quiet after work when the streets are cold and gray. It comes in the taste of a mango that's traveled too far, or in the sound of a reggae tune spilling from a shopfront. It's the moment when your heart whispers, "Go home." Coming home to Jamaica is not just about geography. It's about spirit. It's about reconnecting with a rhythm that beats differently on this island. For some, returning is a dream long held. For others, it's a leap of faith after decades away. But whether you've been gone for 5 years or 50, the message is the same. Jamaica calls, and she calls you to live, to invest, and to belong again. This talk is about answering that call. Part 1. The Heartbeat of Jamaica. Jamaica's not just a country. It is a feeling. It is the warmth of the sun on your skin, the strength of the blue mountain standing guard, the sound of waves meeting white sand in endless embrace. It is the hum of Kingston, the laughter of a market woman in Coronation Market, the hush of a hillside evening in Manchester. But beyond scenery, Jamaica is people. A people who embody resilience, creativity, and joy in the face of adversity. From Marcus Garvey to Louise Bennett, from Bob Marley to Gregory Isaacs, from Usain Bolt to Shelley Ann Fraser-Price, the message of Jamaica to the world has always been, you can rise, you can shine, no matter where you start. And so, when you return, you don't just step onto land. You step back into a living story. Part 2. The realities of coming home. Now let's be clear, coming home is not always easy. It's not a fantasy. And it's not an escape. Jamaica is beautiful, yes, but Jamaica is also real. Culture shock. You may expect things to feel the same as when you left, but time changes all places. Systems may feel slower. Processes may require patience. But remember, patience here is not wasted time. It's time to reconnect. Safety. Jamaica, like anywhere else in the world, has challenges with crime. Stay alert, be wise about where you go, how you move, and who you trust. Remember, stay conscious, stay alive. Cost of living. Life in Jamaica can feel expensive if you're comparing straight across to UK or US prices. But understand, the value here is in lifestyle. Sun every morning, fresh food every day, a sense of belonging you can't buy elsewhere. Coming home means entering with your eyes open, but your heart ready to embrace. Part 3. Living well in Jamaica. So how do you live well once you return? Reconnect with community. In Jamaica, no one thrives alone. Join your church, your alumni association, your community groups. Volunteer. These connections are your network, your protection, and your joy. Embrace the culture. Dance again to the drumbeat. Celebrate Emancipation Day, Independence Day, Heroes Day. Learn the new dance hall moves, but also sit with the elders who remember mento and ska. Every layer of culture is part of you. Eat the land, live the land. The best food in the world grows here. Breadfruit roasted on coal, ackee fresh from the tree, fish caught and fried that morning. Living well in Jamaica is as much about reconnecting with the land as it is about the lifestyle. Balance technology with nature. Use technology to stay connected with your family abroad and to work globally if you choose. But don't forget to switch off. Sunrise at Frenchman's Cove or sunset in Negril can reset your soul in ways no screen ever can. Part 4. Investing in Jamaica, real estate and beyond. If you're returning, one of your first questions will be, where do I live and how do I invest? Real estate essentials. Do due diligence. Don't buy land or property without proper title search. Always ensure the volume and folio are verified. Work with licensed realtors. Protect yourself. Jamaica Homes and other reputable platforms insist on verification. Fraud is real. Avoid it by sticking with professionals, especially in rove corridors like Kingston's corporate areas, Montego Bay, and parts of St. Anne. Investment opportunities beyond real estate. Creative investment here can have global reach. Remember, when you invest in Jamaica, you're not just chasing profit. You're building community. You're fueling progress. Part 5. The spiritual side of return. Coming home is more than economics. It's a spiritual journey. You may have left as a child, carrying memories of mango season and cricket in the yard. You may have left as a young adult, chasing opportunity abroad. But when you return as someone shaped by two worlds. You carry knowledge, experience, and networks that Jamaica needs. This is not just about what Jamaica gives you. It's about what you give back. One cocoa full basket. Every small contribution, mentoring a young person, sharing professional skills, investing in a small business, builds the Jamaica we all dream of. Part 6. What to watch out for. Avoid the rush. Don't rush into buying land because of pressure or sweet talk. Take your time. Learn the system. Bureaucracy can be frustrating, but it works if you follow the steps. Know your TRN, understand NHT, and stay informed. Stay balanced. Don't compare Jamaica to foreign in every conversation. Accept Jamaica as Jamaica, with its strengths and struggles. Part 7. A life-changing message. Here is the truth. Coming home is not just about you. It is about generations before you, who dreamed of this land, even when they had to leave it. It is about generations after you, who will inherit what you build. Jamaica is more than an island. It is a vision of resilience, of creativity, of possibility. And when you return, you embody that vision. So let this be your message. Homecoming is not the end of a journey. It is the beginning of a greater one. Closing words. Welcome home. Welcome back to the sunshine, the sea breeze, the heartbeat of reggae, the laughter of markets, the wisdom of elders. Welcome to the challenges that sharpen you, the opportunities that stretch you, the community that surrounds you. And when in doubt, remember the words our people know well. We lickle, but we talawa. Jamaica is waiting, and Jamaica is ready for you.